Your body requires a lot of energy and effort for hair to grow, and missing out on key nutrients affects it a lot. Let's see a few amazing hair growth tips. Rose hip oil. Applying rose hip oil improves your scalp health and in turn promotes good hair growth. Omega-3 and omega-6. A study notes that women who took omega-3 had less hair loss and improved hair density. Vitamin D. For people with alopecia, vitamin D works to increase your hair density. To know if you are vitamin D deficient or not, please watch the above video. Vitamin C. Vitamin C prevents hair from thinning and graying out faster. Hence, vitamin C from citrus and vitamin C supplements is very essential to stop your hair from thinning. Biotin. Biotin supplements may help improve hair quality and strength for those with biotin deficiency. Zinc. If you are deficient in zinc, supplementing with zinc tablets and adding zinc-rich foods to your diet helps your hair growth tremendously. Silk pillow. While you sleep, your hair gets tangled. Using a silk pillow avoids tangles and hair breakage, and the less breakage your hair experiences, the longer it will be. Hairbrush. Be careful how you brush your hair. Always brush your hair from the tips up. Too tight hairstyles can cause friction and hair breakup. It may seem simple, but it's very important. Antioxidants. Antioxidant-rich hair oils aid collagen production, and that helps strengthen your hair strands. So next time you are shopping online or you are go to a store, be on the lookout for antioxidant-rich hair oils. Conditioner. To avoid split ends and grow hair longer, you should use conditioner frequently. It replaces the lipids inside the hair and prevents hair damage. Cold water. Wow, cold water showers are tough, but we will do anything for our hair, right? Washing your hair with cold water prevents moisture loss and protects you from heat damage and grows strong hair. Keratin. Taking 500 grams of keratin supplements leads to 10 to 15% reduction in hair loss and improves your hair density and hair shine. Protein. Hair loses protein during hair wash. Coconut oil helps replenish hair protein and keeps your hair healthy. Caffeine. Using hair products with caffeine helps improve hair growth and particularly hair density. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds mixed with castor oil applied on the head increases hair density by almost 30 to 40%. This is very important. So in the end, it's a combination of three different things. One, your diet. Number two, how you handle your hair. And number three, how much stress do you feel, right? So with regards to stress, definitely try to ease out the stress on you. Number two, with regards to the diet, try to make sure that if you are suffering from alopecia, you might be deficient in vitamin D, right, as we discussed. If you have a vitamin C deficiency or a biotin deficiency, try to address that. And with regards to number one, how to handle your hair, this is very important, right? Use cold water. Try to use conditioner to avoid split ends, and most importantly use those tips that we discussed here, right? Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe.